There's a legend that tells you a story
about a little old Lady McCorey.
She was living alone in a house made of stone, living without fame and glory. She cared for the lost and the lonely,
A heaven on earth for them only.
with a wave of her hand, a lady, a friend, inviting you in Mr. Lonely. She was like a fairy out of heaven, Lady McCorey.
You done a living full of glory.
We won't forget what you have done. Those were the days of Joan McCorey,
A guardian angel just for the poor.
only in heaven, fame and glory. Now they call her Madame L'amour. Those were the days of Joan McCorey,
A guardian angel just for the poor.
only in heaven, fame and glory. Now they call her Madame L'amour. She cared for the lost and the lonely,
A heaven on earth for them only.
with a wave of her hand, a lady, a friend, inviting you in Mr. Lonely. She was like a fairy out of heaven, Lady McCorey.
You done a living full of glory.
We won't forget